want you weak. They want you distracted. They want you obedient. From the moment you wake up, you're under attack. Your phone is a battlefield. Your mind a prize. The system doesn't come at you with chains or guns. It doesn't need to. It has something far more effective: distractions. Every algorithm, every flashing notification, every ad disguised as entertainment, it's all designed to steal your focus, to keep you passive, to make sure you never build the discipline needed to break free. Because a man who is undisciplined is easy to control. A mind that can't focus is a mind that can be led. They feed you endless streams of cheap dopamine, turning your attention span into a shattered mess. They keep you entertained so you never have to sit in silence and ask yourself, what the hell am I doing with my life? They are betting that you will stay weak. They designed the world to keep you busy with nonsense, mindless scrolling, processed food, shallow pleasures. They want you fat, slow, and constantly seeking the next small hit of gratification. Because the moment you choose discipline, the moment you choose to master yourself, you become a problem. They don't want problems. They want predictable, distracted, manageable people. You think it's a coincidence that everything that makes you stronger, reading, working out, mastering a skill, feels hard at first, and everything that makes you weaker, junk food, social media, binge watching, feels effortless. That's the design. That's the trap. How you outplay them. You stop playing by their rules. 1. Control your inputs. Stop feeding your mind garbage. What you consume determines what you become. Every useless video, every piece of gossip, every hour lost on meaningless entertainment, it's all a weight dragging you down. Start feeding your mind power. Books, deep thinking, hard truths. 2. Starve the weakness, feed the strength. Cut out what makes you soft. Dopamine detox. Delete the distractions. Wake up earlier. Train harder. Build something real. The world only respects those who produce results. 3. Weaponize your focus. Your attention is your greatest asset. Guard it like your life depends on it, because it does. Cut out the noise. Control your time. Work when others play. Learn when others waste away. Become their worst nightmare. A man who controls himself cannot be controlled by anyone else. A man who has discipline cannot be manipulated. A man who is unstoppable is a threat to the entire system. You don't have to announce it. You don't have to scream it to the world. You just move different, with precision, with intent, with a mind they can't break. While they stay lost in the fog of distraction, you sharpen your mind like a blade. While they waste years on nothing, you build something that lasts. While they laugh, thinking life is a joke, you become the force they never saw coming. Let them think you're just another sheep. Let them think you're playing along. Then outwork them, outthink them, outlast them. And when they finally realize you're no longer under their control, it will be too late, because you've already won. The system is betting on you failing. Prove them wrong. This isn't about making small changes. It's about restructuring your entire existence to become untouchable. If you want to break free, you need a plan. A ruthless execution strategy that puts you ahead while everyone else rots away in distraction. Here's how. 1. Control your inputs. Guard your mind like a fortress. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your biggest liability. Right now, it's likely under siege, bombarded by distractions, useless information, and mind-numbing entertainment. It's time to take control. Steps to implement. Purge the trash. Delete social media apps that waste your time. Unfollow accounts that add no value. Turn off notifications. Control what you consume. For every minute you spend on entertainment, Spend 5 on self-education. Read books on strategy, finance, psychology, and discipline. Listen to content that makes you sharper, not duller. Master. Selective. Ignorance. Not everything deserves your attention. Cut out news that fills you with fear, gossip that poisons your mind, and conversations that drain your energy. Outcome: your mind becomes a weapon, not a playground for distractions. 2. Starve weakness. Feed strength. Eliminate what makes you soft. Discipline isn't just about adding new habits. It's about removing the things that sabotage you. Every ounce of weakness you tolerate is a chain, keeping you enslaved to mediocrity. Steps to implement: destroy your vices. Alcohol, junk food, endless scrolling, laziness. These are your enemies. Cut them out ruthlessly. Train like it's life or death. Because it is. Your body is your machine. Build it strong. Set a training regimen and follow it with military precision. Wake up before the world. The early hours belong to the disciplined. Wake up at 5 a.m. Take control of the day before the world even opens its eyes. The outcome: you start moving with power, not sluggishness. 3. Weaponize your focus. Create systems, not excuses. The undisciplined let their environment control them. The disciplined engineer their environment to force results. Steps to implement: set unbreakable daily routines. Define your day before it starts. Plan the first 3 hours with absolute structure. Hour 1. Exercise. Wake up your body and mind. Hour 2. Learning. Read, study, sharpen skills. Hour 3. Execution. Work on your highest priority goal. Kill distractions with a schedule. Set work blocks with 0 interruptions. No phone, no notifications. Just deep work. Make discipline automatic. Remove the need for willpower. Automate good habits. Set alarms for every task. Meal prep so you don't eat garbage. Schedule workouts like business meetings, non-negotiable. The outcome: you become unstoppable because your actions are dictated by systems, not feelings. 4. Build a war chest. Financial freedom is freedom from control. Money is leverage. The system controls people through financial dependence. You want true freedom? You need to build your own economic power. Steps to implement: cut unnecessary expenses. Every dollar wasted on liabilities is another chain on your neck. Track your money like a hawk. Earn, invest, multiply. Make money work for you. Learn high-income skills. Invest in assets that grow. Stop chasing instant gratification. Create multiple streams of income. A single paycheck is a single point of failure. Own your time by building businesses, investments, and skills that pay you long-term. The outcome: you become financially sovereign, untouchable by corporate slavery or economic crises. 5. Master the art of moving in silence. Powerful people don't announce their plans. They execute. Loud people seek validation. Silent people control the board. Steps to implement: stop talking. Start doing. No one needs to know what you're working on. Let your results speak for you. Become a ghost in the system. While others argue online, waste time proving points, and chase attention, you move in silence, stacking skills, wealth, and power. Disappear to level up. Take a break from socializing. Cut out unnecessary relationships. Use that time to build yourself into something unrecognizable. The outcome: the world won't see you coming until it's too late. Final warning: the system will fight back. If you commit to this path, understand one thing: the system will try to pull you back. Your old habits will whisper for you to return. Your weak friends will mock your discipline. Society will tell you you're too intense. Good. Let them talk. Let them laugh. They won't be laughing when you own your time, your body, your wealth, and your mind. The choice is simple. Be controlled or be in control. Be another pawn in their game. Or flip the board over and build your own. You decide. To the returning GrimFace warriors, you already know what this is about. You've been in the trenches. You've been sharpening your mind, cutting out weakness, and stepping into the power they never wanted you to have. You are the resistance. And every time you show up, every time you apply these lessons, you take one more step toward the unstoppable force you were meant to be. For those of you new to this movement, welcome to the other side. This isn't a place for the soft. This isn't where we pat you on the back and tell you everything will work out if you just believe. No. This is where we tell you the truth. The hard, cold truth that most people run from. And then we show you how to win. If you're ready to break free from the system that's been keeping you weak, if you're ready to stop being distracted and start dominating your own life, then subscribe now. Hit the bell. Lock in. Because we're not just talking, we're building warriors. And once you're in, you'll never see the world the same way again. Stay sharp, stay relentless. And as always, move in silence, dominate in reality. Welcome to GrimFace. Let's get to work.